Sweeping fields and looming buildings with steep inclines all over the place. These are just pieces of what make UTEP such an interesting place. However, these aren't the only reasons campus is such a bustling place. Here lies one of nature's most perplexing creatures: university students. These creatures have some of the most drastic differences between one another, but it's those differences that unite them and make this species the most resilient and interesting group. They find ways to converse and hang out with each other in such interesting ways. Hundreds of them ready to start the day, take notes, and learn as much as they can. They want to give their undivided attention and focus on the task at hand in order to make sure they have a great future ahead of them. Here, some of them just go a little crazy and start writing all over the walls, and it seems like they're trying to make sense of the pieces that they're writing, but who knows? Here we see another student studying to the bone, trying to make sure that he's ready for finals. But it's hard to say. Part of him looks ready, part of him wants to lie down and cry for a little bit. Speaking of crying, here's one of my favorites. Watch as this student has what we call a timed freak out. In just a moment, his phone alarm is going to go off. He immediately breaks down and cries, tries to get all that frustration from the day out of his system, that way he can continue to study as hard as he can. Ready to bounce back up and get back to work. Look at him go. Here, we see a student that burnt out from the day, and is just trying to lay in the sun for as much as they can, to build up enough energy to start the day again. But it looks like they're gonna take a nap instead. Speaking of naps, I think this one earned one, especially after the long day they all had.